Most men ignore this one secret muscle that controls strength, stamina, and confidence. Today, we'll unlock the hidden pelvic power workout, the routine men never talk about. The pelvic floor muscles are the foundation of your core. They support your bladder, improve control, and enhance performance, both in workouts and daily life. Exercise 1. The basic Kegel. Tighten your pelvic muscles as if you're stopping urine midstream. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax for 5. Repeat 10 times, twice a day. Exercise 2. Quick pulse. Contract and release rapidly for 10 seconds. It boosts muscle endurance and control. Exercise 3. The bridge hold. Lie on your back, bend your knees, lift your hips, and tighten your pelvic floor. Hold for 10 seconds. This strengthens your core and lower back together. Exercise 4. The plank focus. While holding a plank, engage your pelvic muscles. It builds total body control and deep strength. Practice daily. No equipment, no gym. Just focus and consistency. Unlock your inner strength with the hidden Kegel routine.